transparent language is one of our databases. It's taken the place of Mango, and as you can see, you have to log in first, and I've already logged in, so it knows me, and it knows what I've been doing. Normally, when you first log in, you'll go right here and actually choose a language. And here's the list. We've got all kinds. I really think it's interesting that it has some Native American languages in here, Dakota and Cree. So you can actually learn any one of these languages. I'm going to scroll down kind of slow so you can see them. All right, in Spanish, you've got 2 dialects. You can also see some of them say Kids Speak on them. So Kids Speak is available for children starting at the age of 6. So I'm going to choose Spanish for our English speakers. And here's all our other units. I'm going to scroll down and show you each unit. And always good, of course, if you're learning a new language, start with unit number 1. That's the one you want to start with. As you can see, there's quite a few lessons. This particular language has 8 units. So I'm going to scroll back up, and we're going to start with Unit 1. And sometimes it takes one moment to load, so just be patient. When you're on the app, you just see, here we go, read and listen to the Spanish, and then read the meaning. So that's what we're going to start with. And be sure and turn up your
Señora.
sound so you can hear.
Perdón, señora. El agua. Por favor. Una botella de agua. Inglés.
Okay, be sure and click done at the very end, and then you can see on the right hand column it marks off that you've done this. All right, and then this is another way to learn these.
Señora.
It shows you a picture.
Perdón, señora. El agua.
So those that learn more visually, it
Por
can
favor.
help them.
Una botella de agua. Inglés. Sí. Sí, gracias. El menú. Un café. Un café, por favor.
All right, and then just move to the next activity, and you can see in the right hand column, checks it off. All right, in this activity, you're going to look at each card.
Café. Sí. El agua. Una botella de agua.
All right, and then it shows you in English, and you're supposed to find it in Spanish.
Una botella de agua. Sí, gracias. Un café, por favor. Perdón, señora. Una botella de agua.
You see that one? I chose wrong. And then
Un
I
café, por favor.
chose the correct one.
Un café, por favor. Sí, gracias. El menú. Perdón, señora. Sí, gracias. Inglés. Sí. El menú. Señora. Señora.
There's a lot of repetition, which is good for learning language.
Señora. Inglés. El agua. Sí. Sí. Inglés. El agua. Por favor. Un café. El agua. Sí. Inglés. El agua. Señora. Inglés. Por favor. Inglés. El agua. Un café. Por favor. Por favor. Inglés. El menú. Un café. El menú.
That activity is complete, and it checks it off. All right, this one is reading and responding to prompts. So you'll read the text, and then you'll go to the questions. As you can see, the text is in Spanish. And then it's asking you what type of conversation it is. And I am going to choose broad. It's obviously formal. So it's like, do you remember what you just read in Spanish? And so it's a little bit of a harder kind of testing you what you know. Then when you're done, click done. We'll go to the next one. And this is a matching, so you're going to drag the Spanish word into the blank. Just another way to memorize your new words. Okay, this one you have to enable your microphone. So be sure and enable that on your phone, or yes, I am using the app. And then you can always test it, make sure it works, like I'm doing here. You're not going to be able to hear my voice since I recorded this on my phone, but you will be able to see the speech pattern. And again, sometimes it takes a moment to load. You'll see that the little waiting hourglass thing. And then I did not do well on that one, as you can see, but the next one was better. Or actually, it couldn't hear me quite right then. Now the next one is better. Yes. So you can see your little... You can see the needle point at the bottom. Of course, red is not very good, and then it always goes all the way to green. Green means you said it correctly. Your pronunciation was correct.
Perdón, señora.
And my accent gets in the way, so my pronunciation is not the best. That one was a middle of the road. This app is really good for learning languages. As you can see, I went through several of the Spanish questions. They have similar questions and activities for all the languages there. And then there's normally a test at the end of each unit. Test yourself, see how much you know. So this is transparent language. We hope you use it and enjoy it and learn lots. Thank you.